Yeah, I've started talking to camera or blogging. If anyone's watching this, it's my first go at really doing it. I'd rather just walk and film. I'm in Portrush. Obviously, people out on the rocks fishing. Hopefully get a nice sunset. Not quite sure where I'm going. Thought I'd just come and have a look over here. But when the weather's clear, you can see Scotland in the distance on the horizon. I believe some of the islands. Yeah, there might be a few gaps, me not saying anything. As I say, I'm only practicing this whole talking to camera, blogging, malarkey, what a word. But yeah, I'm here in Northern Ireland and my parents live here. Haven't seen them in almost a year because of the pandemic. So yeah, great to be here in Northern Ireland, Portrush. Some of the cleanest ocean you'll ever see. Some of the best beaches I've mentioned in other clips. You should go and have a look at those. And the fishermen look. Probably going to be doing a spot of fishing with my brother who lives out here tomorrow. I've fished here before, we didn't catch anything. Oh look, there's a little dog. Little dog sitting. Shall I dunk you in the water if I can get access? You can have a look in the water how clear it is. Let's try. Hope this turns out alright. I've noticed there's a scratch on my lens. From tombstoning. Here. Gonna dunk you guys in the water. You refresh. Cold, isn't it? Ice cold. Have an ice bath. Gonna get rid of them drops. Well, if there's a drop on there. Oh my god, that looks like cat litter on the floor. What the hell is that? Obviously some kind of fishing. Why the hell is the seaweed white? That's weird. And I think there are some natural pools here that people swim in, so I'm going to head that way. I saw some people changing their swimming costumes. I hope I don't stumble across them and look like some weird pervert. Not my intention. Oh! There's a bloke dressed, oh yeah. If you have a look around, oh look, he's got a drone, there it is. It's going to say the bloke in blue. You pan around, flying his drone. So he's going to be in my video and I'll be in his, filming each other. I don't really have a plan where I'm going. Let's go and see what these little pools are that people swim in. I think you could just jump out in the car and see over there as well. Where's the drone? Up there. Bet he's getting good footage. I'd love a drone. I'll make do with my 360 right now. 360 drone, I want to do that. we can hear some music blaring. I hear that's a no-no for your videos, but I'm not worried about monetized yet because I'm probably getting about 3 views here, so thank you, 3 views. And look, I found 10p. I'll use that on the amusements. Let's go. Or I'll put it in a little charity tin. Seen some lifeboats collecting. Ah, look, I think I've reached the pools. Oh, mate, might just hide you just in case some people are changing. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, you get a lot of tombstone in Northern Ireland and rock pooling. Almost sounds like live music. Maybe it is. Should we go and look at that?